Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts, and this is another reading. This is for the month of August for Pisces, and I'm going to give you one number which is important for you. I'm going to start with the number 7 is coming for you. I'm seeing if there's another number 6, 7, 8. So 7 and 8 are important numbers for you. Let's see what are the messages for the month of August. Also remember, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. So there will be guidances for you. Sometimes there's one guidance or many guidances. So let's start the reading. Let's see what's coming up for you guys. So this is for Pisces. I got this card as the first card. It says full moon, there's a completion. Some cycle is getting completed. Your project is getting completed. Any business deal that you were going to do, anything that was in your mind was not still completed. You were still in the process of doing things, and you were wondering if when will it get completed. So August is the time when you're going to put in your hard work, or things will really probably complete the cycle, or something that's coming into full circle. I also get coming back into full circle. And even if anything was stuck right now, it will start moving, and you will be able to end the project or whatever. If it's a deal, like I said, that'll be completed. Anything that was not moving ahead, not moving on, will be done. So this is a yes to all those things. If you were in a stuck energy in June or July, get June also was difficult for you. So this is stillness. This is you getting more calmer, maybe because things are going your way. In August, things will be moving at a good pace. In fact, stillness comes from, not I'm going to say the circumstances or the the energy of stillness comes from you being calm, because things will be moving, and you'll be happy. They'll be going your way. That's what I feel, Pisces. You're also water sign. There's a lot of water here, so your emotions will also be, you'll be good with the emotions. The way you emote, there'll not be too much of it, too much of excitement, or too much of sadness or anything. It's a very balanced emotion is what I get. It's like getting things done, and you calm, and you know where you're going and where you are. So that's the kind of message I get. You get release. So maybe you calm because you are releasing something. Maybe something comes a full circle, something that doesn't belong in your life. Remember I said a stuck energy, so you're going to release that. You'll be focusing very well. This is a beautiful card. And work with the lavender color, especially lavender. If you can work with the lavender oil, it will also bring you calmness. Maybe you were doing a lot, and right now everything is taking shape, coming into form. You're realizing your dreams. So the outcome is beautiful for you guys. I also feel getting connected to the spirit world. I also can get something like getting connected to people who've passed away. There's a special connection, like you can feel them around. But basically this is all about focus, stay still. You'll be kind of very happy and calm in your heart. That's what I feel. So very focused. You've got laser focus is what I get. Yeah, your perspective is pretty right. You're seeing things the right way, not going into circles. So I can almost see you. If this is a maze, you've come out of that. If anything was troubling you, you've totally got perspective, the right viewpoint. You know how to look at a problem. You also know the solution. So very focused, and getting all the answers is what I get. No matter what they are, or what answers do you want. But this is a beautiful reading, Pisces, I must say. A totally balanced reading, much calmer, not too emotional, not crazy reactions to anything. Very balanced, and thought through actions and things coming up for you. That's what I feel. Let's see what are the other cards saying. Yeah, this is love. You two coming together. You two, this could be a Leo. I also get earth sign. This is also a beautiful give and take. This is like a give and take of a relationship which things are balanced. And like I said, peace of mind. See here it says, I've never read that before, but now that I'm reading it, this is totally there is peace in your mind, and even in your body and soul. And it's kind of peaceful, in a peaceful environment. Even in your relationship, it's beautiful. I also get number 2 could be important for you, because I just saw 2 here when I rolled the dice for you guys here, and number 2 is here. I also get 22, so you could be dealing with a 4 number, 2 number. You could be a 2 or a 4 number is also what I get. So joining of 2 people, some kind of a celebration, commitment, promises, promise to be together forever. And this is beautiful. It's like both are exchanging cups. You could be exchanging rings. but this is a beautiful emotion I'm getting right now. Maybe you weren't really you were thinking, should you take this relationship ahead? I would get a big yes for you guys, and you're going to do this. See, you're pretty strong right now. I'm telling you, there's a lot of Leo energy here, so probably you are dealing with a Leo, or it could be Leo qualities. You are like kind of very strong right now, and I think we got an 8 in the beginning. Yeah, so it's still the same. So there is 8. So probably your birth date could also add to a number 8. What is what I'm getting. So this is a very confident energy. Whatever you're dealing with, imagine even if you're dealing with a lion, the situation could be a lion, like a challenging situation, or you did not know what to do with it. It's like you almost tamed the situation. Look at this, the girl, the woman lovingly looking at the lion. It's almost like tamed the lion. Even if the lion was a challenge, or was a problem. So this is in harmony with others also. You know how to live with challenges, and you know what to do about it. Maybe that's why the perspective card came out, and this is all for you. Yeah, this is feeling like a king. I'm getting a K for king, and here it is, King of Pentacles. So this is you mean business also in August, Pisces. You mean business. You're going to do well with business. There's going to be a good business deal. People are going to listen to you in your office. People around you also. I don't know if you're dealing with a Taurian. I get Taurian energy also. I also see making money from land. I also see making money from probably some kind of farming, or selling something that grows on your farm. Yep, very happy. Water sign is very happy. 9th August is going to be great for you guys. You're going to be really happy. This is happiness. This is made your money in August, or sitting pretty and knowing which way to go. If you remember that card, the guy was so confident, totally knows what to do with life and knows what's happening. Let's see what are the other cards saying for you. I'm shuffling them here. I've just said it a little differently today. Balance in masculine and feminine energies, of course. So this is the balance I was talking about. Even if there's a feminine side to you, so it's like both sides are coming together, so well balanced. Feminine and masculine, like it says. Like feminine is side is there to inspire you. Your masculine side is to give you confidence. So you're balancing everything, all the opposite forces, all the energies very well is what I get. Also take care of your heart, because right now I'm feeling if you're working too much and you're not taking care of your heart, also reach out emotionally, it says, and you will get all the support. So if you've not been doing that, if you've not been concentrating on yourself, I think right now it is about giving much love to yourself also, taking care of yourself. Life's lessons. So August will teach you a lot of life lessons. Maybe you have to break free from old patterns, recurring negative patterns, or anything. So a lot of praying also. I think in August you'll be doing a lot of praying. You'll be working with crystals, and also welcoming the challenges. I think you did that, or probably your mindset is like that. You see challenges that will teach you life lessons. You take them, not like that I do not know why there are so many difficulties for me. But I think Pisces, in August you'll also do maybe it's a challenging situation because God is testing me, things like that. I get that you'll be saying it's okay that God is testing me. See, the moment I said God, you got divine intervention, and you got God sends miracles to answer your prayers, and your sincere prayers. And I think your prayers are going to be very sincere, because look at this. I don't know if you can read it. Yes, so it's beautiful. Things will be things will happen for you. And even if there are any kind of roadblocks or anything, you'll overcome them, because you're very focused and you're very calm, and that's the best combination, I must say. Let's see what the love situation is. What are the love cards saying for you? I'm using the power of love cards. Creativity. So this is you also love new ideas. You create. When we create things, we create it with love. And this could not just be for a love relationship. This could also be innovating things in a love relationship, like innovating, like in thinking about a new kind of a date, where to go, or writing a fun card, or just surprising your lover. That's what I feel. And you put a lot of love in whatever you do. You treat your projects like a baby. So that's nice. This card came upside down twice. Maybe the heart, maybe that's why the heart card also did come reversed, because somebody is not being kind to you. You're not being kind to yourself or someone, Pisces. And Pisces, I feel, are very kind people, and they are also very empathetic. But I do not know, is it just not being kind to yourself? Because remember I said take care of your heart. So maybe you need to be kind, kind and compassionate to yourself before you can be like that with other people. I think that's very important. This is respect. You value everyone's unique perspective on the path of love. So remember we had the card where it said perspective, and it came upright. So you actually uh, uh, you actually respect others for who they are, and you know that you are different from others. So this is also beautiful, a beautiful quality and a trait, that you know that everybody is not the same. And with your special person, I think you also value the different traits that the person has, and like I said, you balance everything very beautifully. So that's also a wonderful reading. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed your reading. You'll have a beautiful August. Everything is under control. You are under control. If you are under control, you very calm. So I would say everything is under control. And so this is your reading. Do like or comment, and do subscribe to my channel, so you will get a notification. Hit the notification button so you will know whenever I've uploaded a video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Have a beautiful day.